we will have the last but not least presenter here. We have already Prof. Dwi Puji Mulyani joining us. So good morning, Ibu.
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning. Yeah, but before we come to the Professor Dwi Yati's presentation, I would like to inform you, especially for the participants here, about the attendance list. Please don't leave this Zoom meeting because the attendance list later will be shared after the Q&A or question and answer session for the last panel session of today's conference. So please stay tuned for this conference until the end of the session. All right, so here I'd like to read a short curriculum vitae or biodata from Professor Duyati here. That the Professor Duyati here is the first professor of food science at Mercubuana University, Yogyakarta. So she has an expertise on agricultural technology, science and technology, and also food science. She has completed undergraduate doctoral studies at Gajah Mada University and the field of science or agricultural technology science and the technology food science. He has a business through CV Windri Mekar. So she is the one who has already been piloting social entrepreneurship, especially in this society in Yogyakarta, a traditional medicine processing industry located in Bantul, Yogyakarta. So, Sve Windramakar's superior product is white turmeric herbal capsules, which are the implementation of the research results of Prof. Duyati from 2002 until now on about the contents and benefits of white turmeric rhizomes. So, without any longer ado, we have already had Professor uh, Dwiyati here, and the screen is yours, Prof.
Okay. Thank you to moderator Mrs. Elisa. I will share screen. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dear Rector of University of Mercubuana Yogyakarta, dear Dean of Faculty Economy, my respect to the chairman of the International Conference on Social Entrepreneurship Event Committee, the speaker, and the audience. I am Dwiyati Pujimulyani. I will present about sociopreneurship to face global challenge through herbal product. I'm sorry. So before I start the presentation, I like to introduce myself. I am currently a lecturer in food technology program at University Mercubuana Yogyakarta. I have been researching white turmeric since 2002, and I research various Indonesia rhizomes. I have written several books about white turmeric, which I hope will be useful to the wider community. My another book are about technology of processing fruit and vegetable, post-harvest physiology, processing technology of tea, and my autobiography. My autobiography tells the story of my life journey from being a child herding ducks to becoming a professor. I hope this autobiography can inspire children that a duck herder can become a professor. Then, ladies and gentlemen, we know that there are different kind of biological plants in the world. Indonesia is one of the countries that has biodiversity. There are many types in rhizome in Indonesia. For example, Javanese turmeric, black turmeric, white turmeric, and other. Ginger maybe help with nausea and vomiting, relief headaches, reduce inflammation. Galangal help with digestive problem such as bloating, diarrhea, and nausea. It can also help relieve headaches, flu, and fever. And Javanese turmeric help relieve inflammation, both the immune system and eye digestion. Black turmeric help with digestion problem such as bloating, diarrhea, and nausea. It can also help relieve headaches and muscle pain. And ginger roots help with digestive problems such as bloating, diarrhea, and nausea. It can also help relieve headaches and muscle pain. And the species leaf, guava leaf help lower blood sugar, treat diarrhea, reduce sore throat, and heal wound. Cat winder leaf help treat kidney stone, reduce of high blood pressure, and help reduce joint pain. Katuk leaf help increase milk production and breastfeeding mother, help overcome respiratory problems such as cough and cold, and help smooth breast milk. Pinahong leaf help wood accelerated bone healing and help treat respiratory problems such as asthma or bronchitis. Then example, turmeric, curcuma longa have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Curcuma santorisa in Indonesia is temulawak, have hepatoprotector. Cinnamon verum have antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory. Local species potential. Local species in Indonesia have existed since the time of the ancestor, which is estimated to have existed in the Neolithical age. And the potential of local species, especially in area of Argomulyo, Sedayu Bantul, near the University of Mercu Buana, Yogyakarta, is carried out to optimize idle land and land that is still empty so that provide more benefit in the community. In addition, that land that planted with rhizome can maintain soil control, control pest and disease, and diversify agriculture. White turmeric plant. There is a white turmeric plant first 1 month, 1 month old, 3 month old, and ready to harvest. In 1 month old white turmeric, the leaves are starting to grow with a relatively small size. The stem is still fragile. The roots have grown have not yet reached full size. White turmeric plant 3 months old have relatively large leaves and the stem have started to be strong. White turmeric plant ready for harvesting are indicated by wilted and dry plant aged 9 until 10 months old. The color of the rhizome is lighter and the size is larger. And the bioactive, I'm sorry, benefit of white turmeric. White turmeric has many health benefits such as boosting the body resistance, preventing and treating cancer, example cervix, breast and liver cancer, preventing and treating inflammation, example ulcer, hemorrhoid, and arthritis, and preventing and treating fat-related disease include high blood pressure, stroke, cholesterol, uric acid, and triglyceride. White turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefit, and ribosome enacting protein beneficial for cancer cell tumors, kysta or tumors. It can inactivating the development of cancer cell, destroying cancer cell without damage surrounding tissue, block the growth and cancer cell. And herbal potential and Argomulia. Argomulia village is a village rich species, especially white turmeric. Since the Sivivindra Mekar industry processes white turmeric as an herbal medicine, many people have planted white turmeric to reduce the amount of empty land in Argomulia village and to maximize land use. Because a lot of land has been planted with white turmeric, the community sell white turmeric rhizome to Sivivindra Mekar so that Sivivindra Mekar can provide benefit to the people who plant white turmeric. Sivivindra Mekar also provide employment opportunities for the surrounding community from students who want to study in the industry or magang in Indonesia called praktek kerja lapang, to the elderly who want to fill their spare time. Sivivindra Mekar is a traditional medicine processing industry located in Bantul, Yogyakarta. And Sivivindra Mekar, then main product of Sivivindra Mekar is white turmeric herbal capsule, which is a research product. History of Sivivindra Mekar. Sivivindra Mekar was established in 2002, start research on curcuma mangga or white turmeric jenis mangga in Indonesia called. In 2004, Sivivindra Mekar innovated the product of white turmeric rhizome and various other rhizome to be processed into instant drink. And Sivivindra Mekar has grown again by developing various capsules such as Javanese turmeric, black turmeric, and turmeric. Alhamdulillah, in 2020, all CV Windra Mekar products already have halal approval. The industry surviving during the pandemic because use local product, community empowerment, and low prices that beneficial of health. Product innovation in CV Windra Mekar, white turmeric is a local Indonesian herb that is high in antioxidant and healthy. In addition to white turmeric capsule product, CV Windra Mekar is also innovating white turmeric product process into instant beverage called ESEM, which can promote health and an affordable price. CV Windra Mekar provide many training to micro, small, and medium enterprise on how to produce instant powder, which is expected to help the community's economy. Yeah, currently, CV Windra Mekar has four superior product, namely white turmeric capsule, Urkuval DP, Javanese turmeric capsule, Urkusan DP, yellow turmeric capsule, Urkulong DP, and black turmeric capsule, Urkusa DP. The four products contain antioxidants that can be beneficial to your health. So the product ESEM, yeah, processing of white turmeric instant powder. ESEM is an instant drink that is ready to brew with boiled water, either cold or hot. The first step of making instant drink is the preparation on the fresh white saffron or white turmeric rhizome that are a good quality and not rotten. Then peeling is done to remove the skin. After that, washing is done using clean running water. Grating or size reduction is done to facilitate extraction. Then add sugar and extract is 1:1. Cooking is done until crystallization occurs. Finally, packaging is done. And the refreshing as something is ready to consumption, especially when consumed in the rainy season like now. Downstream of research product ESEM, there are 5 types of instant drink variant or what we call ESEM. There are variant of ESEM ginger, Javanese turmeric, secang, and kencur drink. There are 2 types of turmeric variant, namely yellow turmeric and white turmeric. Why has the ESEM product been created? Because ESEM has sweet taste so it provides educate children to consume, have for health, and not bitter. Then CV Windra Mekar Neighbor Community Empowerment. The harvesting of white turmeric rhizome. CV Windra Mekar empower the surrounding community from student to the elderly, where rhizome harvesting is supported by men or women around the industry who need work to improve their quality of life. In Pelawanan Argomulyo, Sedayu, Bantul. And the striping of the white turmeric rhizome from the garden is carried out by women from the surrounding industry. And the capsulation process is carried out according to standard operating procedure, standard using full personal protective equipment. This is peeling of white turmeric rhizome and encapsulation process. CV Windra Mekar product marketing, the CV Windra Mekar inovasi marketing. The marketing of CV Windra Mekar product is done in 3 ways. First, marketing by Laskar Kunir Putih. Second, through social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. Third, through exhibition, seminar, or workshop. Laskar Kunir Putih are people who help sell product from CV Windra Mekar sincerely, honesty, and help the community to be healthy. Those who become Laskar Kunir Putih are generally University of Mercu Buana Yogyakarta alumni, college, friends, high school, middle school, and junior high school friends. Then CV Windra Mekar product marketing, social media owned by CV Windra Mekar include Instagram, the name Windra Mekar, and YouTube, the name Dwiyati Kunir Putih, and website www.windramekar.com. Perhaps ladies and gentlemen would be willing to support CV Windra Mekar by following and subscribing. CV Windra Mekar product marketing, CV Windra Mekar also frequently participates in exhibition and workshop in various places. CV Windra Mekar participate in workshop at Faculty of Agriculture Technology Gadjah Mada University with a display of white turmeric product. And seminar, Mr. Ganjar, a research person, narasumber at the University of Mercu Buana Yogyakarta Conference and visited the white turmeric stand and bought CV Windra Mekar product. Alhamdulillah. And I was the charge of training in Changshu, China, and presented a white turmeric. In China, I 3 weeks. Receive free exhibition facilities and Malioboro Mall from government, from Kecamatan Sedayu. Gratis gitu. Okay. Presentation of whites are found in different countries. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank God because white turmeric can presented in various countries. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Chiang Mai, Thailand, in 2022. Paris, Prancis, Amsterdam, Belgium, Germany, Switzerland, Roma, Italy, Changshu, China, and Singapore. Yeah, CV Mindra Mekar and Education. CV Mindra Mekar also support intensive practice student and offer scholarship to outstanding undergraduate and postgraduate student in University of Mercu Buana Yogyakarta of Department of Food Technology. And testimonial white turmeric user. Asma improve. Asma improve. Take curcuma manga 3 capsule and 1 Javanese turmeric capsule per day. Asma no longer recurs skin. Cancer improve. Consume curcuma manga 10 capsule per day, or if stadium 4, maybe 15 capsule per day. Stomach acid improve, take curcuma manga 3 capsule per day. Stomach acid no longer recur. Kista cure the pregnant. After drinking curcuma manga, kista cure and can get pregnant. Chronic cervix improve with consumption of curcuma manga 10 capsule per day. Breast cancer improve consumption of curcuma manga stick 2 breast cancer becomes stage first. Diabetes down, normal thyroid, diabetes type 2 and thyroid become normal after consumption curcuma manga. Diabetes of insulin, consumption of curcuma manga helps release consumption insulin diabetes. Oke, thank you. In Indonesia, jika semua rempah di Indonesia diangkat, diteliti, dan diproduksi, saya yakin masyarakat Indonesia sehat dan sejahtera. Pengangguran bisa dikurangi. That's all for my presentation. Apologies. Thank you for your attention. I will return to the moderator, Bu Elisa. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give a round of applause to Bu Duyati, Prof. Duyati Puji Mulyani here. Okay, yeah. That was what is it? Something that we can highlight. If we can make use of our nature, hopefully we can develop it into something that can empower society around us through the social entrepreneurship itself. And Prof. Duyati here also gives us the real practice of social entrepreneurship, where she also embraces the society around the industry. Around Sedayu, Bantul here, to work together to empower each other, developing the business of Kunir Putih ya. So it is called Kunir Putih here in Indonesia. Thank you so much, Prof. Dwi Yati Puji Mulyani. So